are some pros that do that. They have little sticks in transition, and then they'll pick them up and they'll run.
Max Student, I think that's one of them. He does that as well. Then so he has with Guy it feels like performance enhancing.
Yeah, good.
But even on the swim, I never thought that my swimming would improve this quickly. And also because he said we're focusing on your bike and run. Let's hold your swim. You're only going to swim 3 times a week. We're focusing on your bike. And then was focusing on building your bike a lot now and focusing on building your running slowly.
Because your bigger improvements will be made on the bike and the run than on your swim, right?
But I've made a big improvement on my swim. So he says that, okay, you got a good engine, you have a superpower. The superpower is to sprint.